In this video, we are going to learn about Nabu, which is what we call as a fast port scanner. Okay, this is the part of my advanced web application pen testing program. For more information, you can visit hackerassociate.com and you can check the details here under AWAPT. For more information about me, you can just search on Google Hacker Space Harshad and you can open my profile. Here is my profile on LinkedIn. I'm everywhere, okay, by the way, on Twitter, Facebook, okay, anywhere you can find me. So let us start, okay, with this today part, okay, like Nabu. Okay, so today in this video, I'm going to discuss about a fast port scanner, how to use a Nabu and how to scan for the particular port, okay, quickly. So in this case, okay, like we need first our Kali machine should be ready. Okay, this is a requirement for this particular lab. So what you need is, okay, the first, okay, you should install Go language, okay, Golang we call in short. Once you install the Golang, then okay, you are able to use a Nabu. So how to use Nabu? You can simply use Nabu space minus H. So once you use, okay, like minus H flag, okay, you will see, okay, like how we can use the Nabu. You can see there's a config string, there's a debug mode, there's a host, like host to find port 4. It is same like Nmap, but a little bit fast as compared to Nmap, and you can also integrate Nmap, okay, with Nabu as well. So how to use it? So in this case, okay, like what we can do is we can simply just type Nabu, okay. First time, okay, we're using, just type this command Nabu minus host, and you can type any website name. For example, let's say I'm taking this example 0.webappsecurity.com. Press enter and you can see clearly it started here. Okay, and make sure, okay, if you're using Ubuntu, you always try sudo command here, okay, before Nabu. So in this case, okay, we identify 3 port open, which is 80.443.80.80 very quickly, okay. So that's how we can use, okay, like Nabu. So let me go to the editor and explain, okay, regarding to this. This is a part of my recon phase, okay. So you can use, okay, using a minus H flag. After that, okay, if you want to scan the IP, you can use minus host command and you can type any website name, okay, here, and you can scan it. For more verbosity, you can also use, okay, like minus V. Okay, this is always there, okay, V for verbose. So it will show you what is going on here. Okay, you can clearly see it is showing each and everything here, right? So now, for example, let's say like let's change the application. So I'm just going to scan hacker1.com. So in this case, okay, like it is enumerating and you can see it is checking everything. So we have a port 80.443, 8443, 8080. These ports are open. Fantastic. That's how, okay, you can scan using a Nabu, and very fastly, okay, we are getting this result, right? In this case. Another way, just like, okay, we're using a Nmap. In Nmap also we specify minus P option, okay, and these are the, like, if you can talk about the scanner, these are the scanner we are using, okay, for our CTA, for our penetration testing. Like first is Nmap, second we have a mass scan, third, okay, we have, okay, like Nabu, okay, which I am going to demonstrate here. There are many scanner you can use. Zenmap, there is a Sparta, there is a Legion, there are many tools out there for scanning. But right now we are focusing on here, right? This is the thing. So in this case, okay, like if you want to integrate, okay, Nmap, okay, with Nabu, so how you can integrate Nmap? So what you need, okay, you have to go to the configuration file and you can easily search, okay, like nabu.conf file, okay, using a locate command. So what I can do is I can simply go to the config file, which is here. Okay, you can simply go to the config file using as cd command. Let's go and just, okay, use this configuration file. So I can control shift V, press enter. So this is the configuration file already available under this directory. I can simply just type ls and you can see clearly this is called nabu.conf. You can use Sublime editor if you want. You can use Nano, okay, Vim, any editor, okay, you can use it according to your comfort. So in this case, if you can go down, okay, you can clearly see there's a comment section here and I have added, okay, this command nmap minus s capital V minus ox, okay, and then nabu output. Okay, this part, okay, you can edit here. So I'm just removing, okay, this part. You can see clearly I have removed the comment and I'm saving the file. So go to the file here and then save it, and you can close it. So this part is done, okay, as per the configuration file. Now how do you use it? So what you can do is, you can simple just type here, example, let's say echo, I can use 0.webappsecurity.com. Okay, and after that you just type, okay, like Nabu and minus nmap. That's it. You can see clearly, you will be able to identify the version regarding to this. So it is checking for everything. See here. That's how, okay, we can integrate nmap, and we can use these two tools together, like Nabu and the nmap. So you can clearly see we got the version detail here, right? And very fast, okay, we got the result. That's how, okay, you can use a Nabu. This is one of the best technique, okay, here, and you can easily identify all open ports, and it is scan, okay, like 65,535 port, okay, very quickly. So I'll recommend you can try it, okay. You can do some CTF on Hack the Box, okay, like Hacker Associate machines, and whatever is convenient to you for practice purpose, you can use that machine and you can just check it out and just compare the result. Okay, this is a short video. I want to show, okay, like the functionality of Nabu, so I thought, okay, like record a video and make it publicly. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this video is informative for you. Have a great day ahead.